white cake because I've been craving this for the past few months. And now gusto ko na siyang lutuin. At this is my first time trying this, so it's gonna be interesting. Before anything else, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to get notified when a new uploaded video. So babies, if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so we'll start our baking show, but no oven. So later on, you will see can I use to prepare this puto or white cake. Okay, so first I will introduce to you the ingredients. This is like very simple ingredients. Of course, I have here the ready mix puto or white cake, so it's easy for me. And then, of course, we have the oil. We have the cheese later on top of the puto. And I'll add some flavor to vanilla just to play the taste and will be flavory later on. And then we have the sugar, of course. You can use either white sugar or refined sugar or any sugar you want to use. And then water. Since I don't have measuring cups, I don't know where are the measuring cups, so I'll just use this tumbler, but this is clear. Okay? And then of course we have the measuring cups. So, first thing we have to do, we have to do it this way, and then we're gonna start. I'm gonna open this one. It's already a ready mix puto powder. I don't know if this is powder. Yeah, this is it. I haven't tried this actually, so I'm also excited what will be the result of the puto, but let's cross our fingers will be a successful. So here, this is two. There's two inside the box. Here. So I think I'll just use one because I don't think so Daniel will try some. Okay, I just use one. Put this aside. I'm gonna open it. Here. So put it in the mixing bowl. Here, how it looks like. So next, actually we have steps, easy steps to yummy puto. Okay, we just follow this one just to make sure. This is my first time na, diba? So disclaimer pala, if may maingay sa video na ito, some people are doing construction outside, so just don't mind about it. Just focus on my baking show.
Wow.
Char. Okay, so later on, and then okay, and then add sugar and slowly mix for 30 seconds. I know we have to add the water first. I have to add the water first, but I know. Estimate ko lang to because I don't have the measuring cup yet. So you just the power of estimate. Okay. Just try to mix it. Hindi siya masyadong dry. Okay, and I have to mix it. So, ganito na siya now. Mix it well until okay, I think this is ready for another ingredients, the sugar. So the sugar is 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of sugar. And of course, mix it again. Update, ganito na siya. Yan. Three teaspoons of oil. Here, teaspoon. I think 2 is fine because we didn't use all the ready mix, like two packs inside. So I think this one is okay now. Oh, the alarm clock. It's time for me too. So here I will try ingredients. Wow. Try ingredients. Naging wet na nga eh. Okay, anyway, we're almost done. So, add some vanilla. It's up to you. Kung gaano kadami.
You wanna have it cook off this guy?
Yeah.
Cook off.
Uh-huh.
The timer.
I-grease natin yung mga puto molds. Yan, para hindi siya magdidikit pag luto na. So, ang gagamitin ko is oil instead of butter. I don't have butter actually, so I just use oil. And then, just put the oil, some oil here. Okay, and then wash my hands. But I already washed it with antibacterial soap. Just to make sure, baka mabash tayo. Char, feeling sikat. Ang feeling. Okay, so we start to put the oil inside. And we're done. Okay, we're done. We have 5 molds. And then now, i-bake sa oven. So ngayon, ang gagamitin natin is ang ating mahiwagang rice cooker. Yes, steam natin siya dito instead of i-bake natin sa oven. Okay? So, some of you knows na yung puto ini-steam lang sa rice cooker. Okay, so now, lagyan natin ng water ang ating ito. Ang tawag dito, lagayan ng rice. Okay, lagyan natin ng water. Huwag masyadong punuin. Para pang boil lang, pang steam lang yun siya. Slowly. Excited ba kayo? Oh my god, excited na ako. Pasensyahan niyo na po yung aking vest. Nag-breakout na naman ako ulit. So, that's part of, oops, madami na. Ayan, and then we have to wipe the under para hindi masira ang ating rice cooker. Okay? So, lagay natin dito. Yan. And then, ang ating steamer. Okay. And now, okay ka-vibes, lalagay na natin ang ating ready puto sa ating steamer. And then, steam this one for 25 minutes. Okay. Wala, hindi kasya. Wow. Kasya. Pagkasyahin. Ayan. So, here we go. Of course, we cover it. And then, we're ready to, Ready. Steam for 25 minutes. Bye! Then ka-vibes, ready na siya. Nandito na sa ating rice cooker. So, hintayin natin siya for 25 minutes. What wait sinasabi. And later, after 25 minutes, makikita na natin ang ating result ng ating first time puto. First time ko itong ginagawa, yung pag-steam ng puto. Okay, way back in the province, hindi ko siya na-try. But now, kasi gusto ko kumain. So, kung gusto mong kumain, you should prepare some. Diba? Okay, so stay tuned and chillax. We'll be right back. See you. We'll check if ready na the puto. Wow. See that? Very easy. After 25 minutes, our puto is done. You want to see? Wow. Here. That's how our puto look like. Wow. But we have to let it cool. Let it cool down. See? Look. Puto. I will show it to you closely. Puto! Oops! Oops! Who is at my back?